short I'm explaining this.
This call is now being recorded.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, everyone. So you can see this. See this angle. When the right angle is there, no means straight sleeping line and straight standing line. No slanting line.
Okay.
Slanting line will be not there. Only standing line and sleeping line. So it means that is right angle.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
And acute means less than right angle.
Oh,
Less than a right angle, that is acute. And it can be drawn using slanting also, sleeping slantings, two slanting, that way. And obtuse means more than right angle. So you just have to remember right angle. Right angle means two straight lines, sleeping straight line and standing straight line. Okay.
yes.
And straight angle means this half a circle, that time this line.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I
Now
have
you.
in starting only that if you don't have textbook, if you have textbook, in textbook only. If you don't have textbook, then try to draw in fair book. If you don't want to draw, then you have to just do the xerox from someone's textbook. That is the solution. So this we have finished.
मेरे पास तो है, मैंने तो कर भी दिया और आपको भेज भी दिया.
That I have seen. Now this is the answer of that PDF which I have sent you, worksheet. I mean, so I'm just
मेरे
explaining.
राइट आंसर, राइट आंसर, राइट. एक खोटा बड़ा है, एक खोटा बड़ा है.
You can take a screenshot of this if you want to.
हाँ, एक एक रॉन्ग है.
Then I'm explaining that in exam, how can I ask in MCQ?
ओ,
Suppose this is MCQ. MCQ. First MCQ. So in first MCQ, suppose I'm asking. So in MCQ, suppose I'm asking that this picture is given. Okay. Your picture is given in the question, and this angle is drawn. Okay. Then four options are given, like right angle, then acute angle, then obtuse angle, and then straight angle. These four angles. Okay? And this is the question, this picture. So what will be the answer? Which option?
राइट एंगल ए, ऑप्शन ए.
And other students, what is your answer?
Right angle.
Yes.
राइट एंगल मैम, राइट एंगल.
Huh. So even in
राइट
last,
एंगल.
I have given you some other emojis and that type of shapes, no? So in this exam also, I can give any other shape also, but angles will be given this way. Angles will be given, you have to see that which angle is that. Then you have to, if it is right angle, then you have to search which option is there. So these four will be the option. Is this clear about MCQ? How can I ask? Or shall I translate in Hindi also? Because in girls class, some girls can't understand English. So I translate in Hindi for them. So shall I translate or you understood in English? No answer? You understood or not?
Understood.
Other students?
Understood, ma'am.
Okay. Two students understood. And what about others? Okay, I'm translating in Hindi.
Understood. मैम अंडरस्टूड.
Okay.
अंडरस्टूड.
Okay. So suppose this is the angle. Angle is given like this. This much is angle. Okay. This part. इतना जो है वो एंगल है, इतना पार्ट. तो अब तुमको देखना है कि वो एंगल कैसे बना है. सो यू कैन सी स्लीपिंग लाइन एंड स्टैंडिंग लाइन, दैट ऑल्सो स्ट्रेट. So I said no, when sleeping straight line, standing straight line, so that is right angle. So these are four options. राइट एंगल है ये एंगल, एक्यूट है, ऑब्ट्यूज है कि स्ट्रेट एंगल है. तो जो हो ना उसको सिलेक्ट करना. इवन इन ऑपोजिट वे इट कैन बी गिवन ना.
मैम यू
दैट
हैव दैट द image's name.
Repeat your question.
Ma'am, I asked that in exam, in MCQ, you tell that you ask the angle. You also ask the name of the shape.
Picture will be
Yes.
given and four angle name will be given. You have to select any one angle name.
Only angle no.
Ha. Okay, then it can be given in opposite way also. That which of the following is right angle? Then I will give you this four picture. First picture, second, third, and fourth. These are four option. कि अब इसमें से
मैम
कौन सा right angle है या कौन सा acute है that way. हाँ, who is asking the question?
ये कौन ये कौन से लेसन का है?
See, this is chapter 10, but it is not in the textbook. This worksheet is not in the textbook. So whether you can take out the print or you can only take screenshot.
Okay.
Take it out or shall I change the page?
Change the page.
Okay. And this we have finished, I think so. This I don't remember.
Yes.
Other students, we have finished this.
Yes.
Okay.
yes ma'am, we have finished this.
Okay.
This not.
Now we are starting this. I think so. This we have not started.
No man, this is we have not started.
Okay. So who wants to read the heading?
Ma'am, Mosan?
You are always ready, but I don't see. You are also ready.
Ma'am with the yes.
Ah, yes, you can read.
Yes ma'am. Malakhambh is an ancient Indian sport where the gymnast performs feats on a pole. Gymnast performs feats on a pole, mark and identify the angles you see. Ma'am, this we learned today.
Acha, gymnastics. That okay. So
Ma'am, in
this
English.
okay. So all the gymnasts perform no gymnastic. They do different poses like the dancer. We have seen that poses of dancers also. Here poses of that gymnast are there. So in these poses also angles are formed. So I am marking that. Mark you don't have to mark. I will mark. You have to tell me the angles are right or not. Okay. You can see I have already marked the angles near the hand, near the leg, or full body. Okay. Every time in the question also you try to see near hand only. First you try to see near hand, then near leg, then the whole body. Okay. That way you have to observe. So who will tell me the position of hand from shoulder? From shoulder, it is which way? Sleeping, standing in this.
Ma'am, little bit
Sleeping.
slanting.
From shoulder. From shoulder, you have to say
Ma'am, sleeping.
yes, and then it go upside slanting. But
Yes.
is of folding the hand because they fold the hand for different performance. So is this clear? That from shoulder it is sleeping. This way it is standing.
From
Okay, this way.
Yes, yes.
So this is right angle. Other student, is this clear? From his hand in first picture.
Yes, ma'am, yes. Ma'am, in first picture that is there are second angle also, straight angle in that leg.
First, yes. If you have doubt, ask me fast. I will wait for only 10 seconds. Student, it means you don't have doubt. Now in next picture, you can see near the legs, the angle is formed. And that is very small. Small means acute. Okay. And if we will see the whole body, then it is straight angle. Is this clear? You can copy the answer, then I will change the page. Copy first and then tell me.
Second picture, picture, ma'am, how that acute? The both side it is same, no?
Near the legs. Legs are this way. So we have marked the angle here. Okay. So it is small, you can see. Not even straight sleeping line, not even standing line, straight. If it is this way standing, no straight this way, then it is right angle. But it is less than that.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Another student, please ask the doubt if you have doubt.
Ma'am, second picture, the right side starting is small, no?
If we start from different side, then different angle.
Okay, ma'am, clear the doubt.
You can mark more angle. If you can find more angle, you can mark.
That I'm telling. In first picture, the straight angle is formed in leg.
You can find more angle. There are more angles. You can. Shall I
But
change?
yes, ma'am, change.
Other student, hey, are you writing or not writing in the textbook?
Yes.
Who?
2, 3
Yes,
students are
ma'am.
writing. What about others? Because I will not send the PDF in the group. So if you want to write the answer, write right now. Okay. And this question 5 is your homework. Means you have to first try. You have to try and tomorrow I will show you the answer. Here you don't have to draw, but you have to write the names of 3 example of each angles. I have already shown you in PDF if you remember. PDF not PPT this. If you remember, now I have shown you all these examples of right angle. That this open laptop, then window, then room. So that example you have to write. You have to think and write. Okay, that you have to try. Understood? What is your homework that? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay. I think it's
Ma'am,
only
I
one.
have done this fifth question. No, sorry, fifth, no, sixth time.
No, the student is studying. In every lecture, Hassan, you only give the answer, Hassan, then you, Ayaz, and you, 2, 3 student only. In every lecture, you 2, 3 students only give the answer to teacher.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. In Rohan sir
Yes,
also.
ma'am.
Because Rohan sir gave the turn to all.
But if I will speak their name, I don't think so. They will, means if I also give the turn to everyone, they will not give the reply. I think so. I don't know how he's giving to Rohan sir.
Ma'am, this question I done.
Good. So this also I'm teaching if you want, if you are interested. So this is the name. You can see name and angle. Both we have to say. So this is name A, B, C. That is that alphabets only you have to write in ascending order. And this symbol of angle. So who will tell me about next? B.
Ma'am, Hassan?
Symbol of angle, then alphabet, which you can see in the figure. Okay, Hassan.
Yes, ma'am, but Hassan? Yes,
Who else
Hassan.
is
Ma'am,
ready?
first,
Only he's ready. Other students, you just have to tell me alphabet from the shape. This shape.
ma'am, I give angle also.
What, ma'am? What we have to do?
You have to tell me this name. You can see A, B, C, Z. So that is name. So
Ma'am,
for
can I,
next name.
ma'am, can I say?
But I want to see that how many are ready.
Oh, my God.
3 student. Okay. Any other? Because
Ma'am,
this is
that
very easy. You just
done.
tell me
I am ready.
Ghazi, no?
Yes.
Okay, 4 students. Even you
Ma'am,
never. It is very bad. No, you are neither seeing the answer, you neither nor you are asking the doubt. So now what should I understand? तुमको doubt है, नहीं है, समझ में आ रहा है, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. I don't know about other students.
ma'am, I tell that how many students are there.
No, no. If I will force, no, then also they will not speak.
Ma'am,
Uh,
but
Arman, you
ma'am,
can say
ma'am,
about.
Farhan Merchant and Mehtar Abu sir raise him hands.
Maybe they want to speak. Farhan, do you want to say anything? You and Abuzar.
No.
बोलो. तो हैंड रेस क्यों किए? ऐसे ही शौक. हाँ, Arman, say the name of next this angle.
Yes, ma'am. FTU's angle.
And name. Like here I have written A B C A B C that
Yes,
way.
ma'am.
Thanks. Which alphabets you can see? A B C D में से कौन से alphabet दिख रहे हैं in this?
FAD.
हाँ, D E F.
E F D D E F. Yeah, ma'am.
Who will tell me about next?
Ma'am, we not tell angle.
हाँ, we will write but
Yes,
after.
Garasai I can say. Ma'am, Hassan can tell. Yes, Garasai I can say.
You are very intelligent, Hassan. So let me give the chance to others.
Yes, Garasai I can say.
Yes,
PQR.
very good. He is also very intelligent. By the way, from which school you have come? Vasai Ali Asgar.
Saint Mary.
Very good.
Saint Mary English.
I have listened. Even when you give the answer, it's mostly that are right. So it's good. Now next, who will say? See, Vasai Ali Asgar also gives the answer. You just have to tell
Ma'am,
the alphabet.
Hassan.
No, Hassan. Let me give the chance to someone else.
Ma'am, there are 10.
Hassan, you only say.
Okay, ma'am. STU.
Hmm. Then next.
Ma'am,
Now
no
next,
one will tell no, to so I tell, okay?
they will not say only. I know. So write the answer from this, and then after completing, tell me.
Ma'am, why are you see the answers?
Because they are not interested, and you already have finished. So they
What
are
are
not
the
interested.
answers?
So,
I check my answer.
match your answers with the answer.
Acute. Ma'am, my answer is right.
Good.
Yes, ma'am, my all answer is right.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Hassan.
my all answer is right. Ghazi Jivani.
Very good. So only these three students are only here in the class. Other are not studying here. They are not
My
interested.
all answer are right. Alias Garvasai.
Okay. Abuzar,
Yes, ma'am.
why are you not giving answer? Or
Ma'am,
neither?
Tawfiq
Yes.
is there.
You are writing in anything textbook or fair book or rough book. Are you writing this? You are writing or not?
मैम मेरे पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है.
हाँ तो फेयर बुक में रफ बुक में किसी में तो ड्रॉ करके लिख या तो स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो इसके टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस इफ यू
मैम
नो स्क्रीनशॉट
स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया.
हाँ ओके okay now we are starting chapter 11 which is measurement okay No any other questions.
Ma'am,
Fun.
Hassan.
I know you're asking about the exercise. Am I right?
Yes, yes,
I know.
measure this angle. Yes.
I know. That I will explain you later. Okay. Now let's see this. You and also observe your own scale. Huh? Keep your scale with you. That you will understand this betterly. If you have textbook right now, only keep that with you. And see the arrows. Okay, in your scale, how many numbers are there? 1 to how many? 10,
15.
11. How many?
15.
And other students, how many numbers are there in your scale?
20.
Other anyone else?
Ma'am, 20.
Okay, okay. Sheikh Rehan said no. Rehan and Hassan, they both gave the answer.
Ma'am, Arman Gori. मेरे 20 है.
Okay, okay, okay. Wait, huh? Today even Shafiq is not giving answer. What happened, Shafiq? You're not well? Shafiq, what happened? You're not well?
Yes, ma'am.
You are not well? तबीयत अच्छी नहीं है तेरी? तो जवाब नहीं दे रहा है.
तो मैम तबीयत तो अच्छी है.
मैंने अभी पूछा ना स्केल में कितने नंबर है, तो तेरे पास स्केल नहीं है.
मैम मैं वॉशरूम में गया था इसलिए.
Okay, okay. Then Merchant Muhammad Ali, you also don't have scale. Then this Farhan, you can at least tell me from the scale that how many numbers are there.
Ma'am, in my scale there are 60 centimeters.
6. In the small. In the small. It is. In the big scale 30.
Okay.
Big scale
Ma'am,
30.
in my
In
scale
small.
there are 60 centimeters.
Okay, then you can measure coins like this. Means this is not our coin, huh? Indian coin. You can use Indian coin and you can measure that. Okay, it's very small. You can see that we can.
Sir, ma'am, this is Liberty coin.
Hmm. Here it is written, no?
Yes, ma'am, written.
Then all these thing we measure in meter, not centimeter. You can see this is very big, that baseball bat and everything. So some things are very small that we can measure that in centimeter using even half scale, small scale, and for some we need even that measure tape. So that they are showing.
Ma'am, we use measure tape in big measurement.
Yes. For long thing we need that measure tape. And for
Yes.
small thing we need this. Even you can see what they are showing. I am explaining this. This is your scale. Suppose this is one number, this is two, three, four. Suppose if you want to measure coin, so coin I'm putting here. But now something is even smaller than that. So I will just need this millimeter. So that they are showing that for something even you need this much only. See this part. This is coin only, but from this side. Okay, not from side view. It is side view. You can see it is very thin. Okay, so for this we need only millimeter, not even
Means,
centimeter.
ma'am, full coin is big. So we do the
Huh.
millimeter.
Yes. See, they will put in that space. They will show everything. For which long thing, which for which small thing, what we need. Meter, centimeter, millimeter, kilometer. everything. Now kilometer we need even if you have seen a road, beside the road also it is written that this many kilometer, this place is this many kilometer away. If you have observed, have you
Yes,
seen
ma'am.
when you are going
Written.
somewhere?
Yes, ma'am. In road that small in
Huh.
each in
Yes.
it.
Stone
in
that
it-
are written that this many kilometer are left or this many kilometer
Yes.
that.
Or ma'am, board is come that all cities board.
Huh. Yes. Yes. Okay. So there are four things: millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. These four things you have to remember. For what, which thing we need what. Okay. Now they will ask you question. How many minutes you want? Listen.
Ma'am, 1 minute first. We read a question. We read question and then tell.
ધ્યાન દેવાનું બુજર પરીક્ષામાં કઈ ન આવડે ને સ્કૂલે પેપરમાં મારી નાખીશ તમને બુધાલાલ બુધા
Ma'am,
બુધા
ma'am,
Ma'am, can I say
બુધાલાલ
Bidayas?
ખાધે
Wait, I answer.
મેં
ma'am.
ખાધે
What we have to do in this?
I am saying, but someone's mic was unmute now, so I was not
ધ્યાન દે
able.
ને ઘેર
Ma'am,
મૂકી દો
Abu Sir, Matters mic is unmute.
Still, it is unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Now he is muted.
Okay. So this is the MCQ that it is written. Which of this is realistic measurement? Means we can measure our height in what? Centimeter, meter, kilometer, or millimeter. That.
Ma'am,
But
can I say Bidayas?
let others think. Everyone will think. Then. So thinking time is 30 second or 1 minute. Okay. 30 second. 30 second is thinking time. Think and then we will discuss. Even this way it will be given. In MCQ I can ask anything. In FB, TF and match the following also. This time I have asked match the following also. You didn't get the paper style, no?
We
Or you?
have paper style.
Acha, you got no paper style in that I think so. Match the following also I have asked this time. If you have seen.
No, ma'am. Paper style. We have not got. We have got the syllabus.
Syllabus and timetable. Okay. So paper style you will get very soon. In that this time with TF, FB and MCQ match the following also I have asked. So MCQ in MCQ already I have explained how I can ask. Okay, now we will see this, then we will discuss. One option they will explain that why we can't measure this in millimeter. See, they are showing that millimeter we use for this kind of very small thing. So that will be cancelled, that option. So they will cancel that first option. They are comparing, so cancelling first option. Now second option they will compare. Coins. So if I put two that baseball bat 2 or 3, then that equals to person means 2 3 bat. And kilometer obviously we can't use. Now next. For this also 30 second I'm giving. Okay, even you can use your own pencil and scale. Then you can see that it is in which centimeter meter. Right now only do. Take your scale, take your pencil. No. Everyone will first do this. So you take your pencil, take your scale, measure, and then tell me that how what is the measurement. Tell me about your pencil. Everyone will compulsory measure. Huh? That is very easy. Take your pencil and scale. and then measure. And then tell me measurement of your pencil. And hope again I don't have to take everyone's name because I don't like to force anybody. Have you measured? Then tell me if you have completed.
Yes, we
Yes, ma'am,
measured.
I have done
Yes,
in my
Hasan.
mind.
So only one student have measured. You should also measure other students. Take your pencil and scale.
Yes, ma'am. Hasan measured.
Okay.
And my pencil is 15 centimeter. My pencil.
Okay.
My pencil is 6 meter.
Meter? Sure. Means you have used the scale. So in scale, something is written beside one.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
my pencil is 10 centimeter.
Okay.
Sir.
If you will observe your scale, there is centimeter is written. Okay.
Hello, ma'am. My pencil is 6 centimeter.
Okay. So Shafiq has given the answer, Hassan, then Rehan, and then I think so. These three students gave the answer, and Vasai Ali Asgar. I think so. Okay, other students, as your wish. If you don't want to measure, as your wish. I can't do anything. So now we will see the answer that we can measure a pencil in what. Okay, one option we will see millimeter. So it's not possible because that is a very small
Con.
measurement.
Yes, small.
So that will be cancelled. Even in exam also you can do this. If you are confused, then you can take one option, then you can think. So if we will put six these coins, so one centimeter means 6 centimeter. You can use the scale, okay, for every measurement. Means not in,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, you send the chapter 11 notes. No, not answer, but exercise.
Questions.
Yes, yes.
Okay. I will send you personally if you want questions. Then.
Okay, ma'am, send.
Then you can see this. Which of these is realistic measurement of this bridge?
Ma'am, I know with the yes.
Okay, one student knows. Then other
Ma'am,
students.
I also know Hassan.
Okay, Hassan.
Ma'am, I also know. Gazi Jivani.
Okay.
I also know alias Garvasal.
Okay. Ali Asgar. Okay, four student. Means if you have traveled somewhere, no, then it will be very easy for you. Means while traveling, when you observe outside the window, then you will understand this more. And there are so many Lakadia Pul or something is there near our Bhavnagar. Lakadia Pul or something is there, no? I don't remember the name.
Yes, ma'am. Lakalia Pool.
So if you will think
मैम
about
हेलो मैम 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 आई नो मैम मेरे टेरेस पर से भी दिखाता है लाकड़िया पुल
oh,
यस मैम सच्ची में
okay.
मैम आपको फोटो खींच के भेजूंगा मैम कैन आई से आंसर
Ma'am, 30 seconds, go.
Okay, Muhammad Ali, we are just matching the answer. So you all have to think and then you have to match your answer. Okay? Showing, you just have to match your answer. Even when you will see the road also, means while traveling, then also you will understand that it measures in what while traveling.
Ma'am, in kilometer we measure the road.
Yes.
यस
Now last one, last problem.
This is what?
Candy.
Damn.
And then one more video, but I don't think what is the time right now. One more
Ma'am,
video.
what is this?
Candy.
7 millimeters.
Candy. Millimeter.
What is the time? 10, 11.
Yes, ma'am. Millimeter will measures.
Hmm. So
Centimeter,
I
no, meter, no.
it's
Kilometer also.
11. So that other video, see, I'm just showing which is the other video. If it is there, huh? This one, that how we will convert that. If you will see now this road and everything, then this one, I was talking about this.
Yes,
That
ma'am. I am also talking about this only.
huh? That while going, no, you will see all this somewhere.
Yes, ma'am.
If
मैम जब ये नहीं होता तो तब देयर इज बोर्ड.
yes. So other thing we will discuss tomorrow. But right now, please ask the doubt if you have, because you are not asking the doubt. And that is my I really don't like that when you don't ask the doubts.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No, ma'am.